Hello, hello. Why you say goodbye? I say hello.
Sing it, girl.
Did I say the lyrics right?
I think so. It's been a while since I've heard the Beatles. So
Oh, was that a Beatles song?
That's a Beatles song.
Oh, the Beatles have the best quotes, if it is.
I'm pretty sure it's the Beatles.
So you guys, welcome back.
We're the puzzle couple.
And we're here with another Christmas puzzle.
Yes, indeed.
This is Countryside Christmas.
Bits and Pieces again, number 300.
Yes.
Yeah. We're going to get something bigger here soon.
We do have a much bigger puzzle, but I'm so intimidated by it.
Yeah, it might, but that's also not the holiday.
It is.
It is a holiday?
It is. It's a Santa one, but it's like 1,500.
Oh, well, that'll be interesting.
Oh, my goodness.
That might be next year.
So this is actually by Alan and
Giana. I believe, because it's Giana.
No A.
Or Giana.
Yeah.
Giana, I believe.
Yeah.
So
this is beautiful. Look at you've got your little snowman. I tried to build the snowman one time. It is hard. It's not as easy as.
Was it in Arizona?
Yes, it was in Flagstaff.
Okay. Yeah, I guess it was
like
up there, but
this big. It was itty bitty, yes.
Yeah. Hey, at least you got to do it.
Mm-hmm. And look at how pretty people, they do their trees. Some people can actually make their trees this pretty.
I know, right?
So
some people are good at it.
Yeah, there's
Others
a lot.
Are not.
There's a lot. There's a lot of birds in here and squirrels.
Yeah. It's a beautiful look out there. I don't know if I'd want to be in it. Not a big fan of the cold, but a little bit of cold, I guess, is okay. I just don't want to be out there for long. And our dog is begging again.
Yeah. So, with Bits and Pieces, this does look like it's going to be another maybe random cut.
It is. I think all Bits and Pieces
are all random cuts?
I think they might all be random cuts. That's something we have to look into.
Pretty those lights are on the tree. Very pretty. Yeah. So we cannot wait to get this started. Yeah. And you guys tell us your favorite thing that you like for during the holidays. Is it cooking? Is it the family? Is it wrapping gifts?
What is it?
I never hear people say wrapping gifts is their favorite.
Opening gifts. Maybe.
Opening might not be so bad,
I don't know.
But cleaning up after all that too.
Yeah. I don't like the cleaning.
I'm bad. I leave like scissors and tape laying around, and poor Emery has to pick all that stuff up behind me. Yeah. But
she does like to leave stuff.
I do.
Not just during the holidays.
Oh my goodness, I keep saying that. Anyways,
you should probably stop.
I should.
Yeah. People think you're mean to me because you keep cussing me out.
I am not. Oh my goodness. No, it's his nickname, but it's, I don't know, it's hard to explain. Anyways, and it's not bad. Oh my goodness.
Is it not bad?
No, it's not.
Well, we'll see.
You guys,
will see.
One day
what do you think she calls me?
Yeah, one day I'm going to accidentally leave it in, and you are going to be like, what in the world is that name? So you guys, wait till the end. We will give our opinion on this puzzle. Mm-hmm. And as always, have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Yeah.
And we did it.
We got it done.
So I think basically for this puzzle, it was a little bit easier to do. I didn't feel like it was going at a slant. Did you feel like it was going at
there
slants?
There were some pieces, yeah,
that were at slants.
So. Because it was, I mean, it was the same company, the same type company, of cut, you know. So yeah, so I think there was a little bit in there.
That Christmas tree, that we had to wait to the end to get that one done, and then I had to let him do quite a few pieces.
I think he did most of it.
You think so?
Yeah.
I feel like I feel like I had to back up because I was getting frustrated. None of the pieces.
No, I think you did most of it. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I guess we'd have to look at it, but I'm pretty sure you were the one that did most of it.
That's my happy dance, you guys.
Yeah. That's the dance.
I don't know how people do the robot.
The thing.
Oh, is that how they do it?
Something like that.
Oh, you do it with your fingers first?
Start at your fingers, and it's just like a roll.
You do it good. You do it. I love it.
Yeah. I'm a dancer now.
He is, and that's our happy dance. So for these Christmas puzzles or these holiday puzzles, we are giving them to the next group that is on our list, you know, that get, because of all the trays that we do. And the woman that's doing them, she loves the holiday ones. So I gave her the two that we did, that we finished.
Yeah, so the one before this one, and then
this one, yeah.
And we'll probably have to give her the next one too.
I think so. Yeah, yeah. It's
We've already got it picked out. We know what we're doing.
Yes, we do. So you guys, thank you for coming by. Oh wait, we didn't say anything about the colors.
Oh no, it was a beautiful.
It was so
very
pretty.
Beautiful picture.
Yeah.
You know, the artist did a really wonderful job.
The animals on that.
Oh, the birds.
The birds.
Yeah.
You could like see the little lines for the feathers. Oh, and the squirrel too. The little hair follicles on them. So, yeah, you guys. The only thing I don't think I really enjoyed putting together, which I did, and I think you did, was the bridge.
I think I did probably most of the bridge. So.
You did the structures. I'm like, oh my gosh, I just see like wood and so
it was. I mean, it did have some difficulty to it, I guess.
Yeah.
Even though it was only 300 pieces and big pieces.
Yeah, big pieces.
I'm not sure what it'd be like if you got it in the 1,000-piece one. How easy that would have been.
Oh, and we thought we lost a piece.
Yeah,
we did not. No. We looked everywhere, and
so you'll see at the end we kind of cut it off, and there was a piece still missing.
Yeah,
we actually were able to find it and got it all together before we took it apart and gave it away.
Give it away because I think we're trying to just pass the pieces or the puzzles that have all the pieces to the next person on the list.
Yeah.
So I think that's our goal.
I think so.
Yeah. Yep. So
anyhow, guys, we will see you on the next one. Hopefully you guys are enjoying our little puzzle quest here, and happy holidays. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.